Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create and add formulas to your design in Canva. So if you want to add some smart dynamic formulas to Canva design, so this is how you can do it. You can just open the designs and then go straight to apps on the left side menu here. Then you can just search for this app called equations here. Just type in the search column at the top. Okay, so this is the application. You can click on it. So by using this, you can build equations easily and insert them into your design. Tap on open. And here you can just type your equations or use the buttons. You can go with the basic mode or the advanced mode by clicking on the tabs right here. So I'm going to just go with the basic. Here you can change the color if you want to. Let's say I'm going to just write using this. Okay, for example, for this one, change the number. Here I'm going to go with times. And then using this again, the fractions, I'm going to go with this, and here use the equal to, and you can just tap on insert equations when you are done. So it will be added to your design and you can resize it if needed. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.